Hi friends, hey, welcome to another Sunny Side Design video. Today we are thinking spring and spring crafting.
Yeah, we're sick of winter around here. So we had a little trip to the dollar store to get some inspiration, and I found the funnest things. These little picture frames and these little carrots. I'm going to make an Easter bunting, Easter/spring, and we will put a free printable on it. So make sure you get that and tap the link, and also subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and you'll find the link for that in our description.
Starting with these cute little finds from the dollar store, I laid them out on my table to kind of give me an idea how long the bunting might be. And then I just draped some jute across it and cut it. And I'm using these jute tassels that we made from my Valentine bunting. So go check that video out so you know how easy those are to make. So you can use those on your own buntings. So what I'm going to do now is just take this jute and fold it in half so I know where the middle of the bunting will be. And we are going to start attaching the frames to the jute. So I marked where the middle of the jute was, and then it actually was going to be centered on these carrots. So I figured out where this frame would be, because we're going to start with these frames. And just for easiness sake, we are going to put the jute right in there and glue it in place with some hot glue. I don't know if you can see that very well. And then we'll put some glue here as well. Now you could drill some holes through the top of the frame or do some other things to hang it, but we thought this would just be the easiest way. And then if I ever did want to use the frames for something else, I could just take off this backing. Let that dry for a minute. And we'll just proceed and do all the frames, making sure to leave some space for these carrots, and we'll attach those. So I thought it would be fun to have about 2 carrots in between each, so I'm going to leave about that much space. To use a little bit of hot glue to secure these together so they kind of hang cute like that, and then we'll go ahead and attach them to the bunting. Because they're just made out of styrofoam wrapped, so I'm just gonna hold them together. Now that they're secured together, I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on this. And then I can secure it right to the jute. So we'll just do this with all the carrots. To just clip on this cute little Easter printable that I made. So make sure to download that from the links down below. This is such a super cute, super easy bunting. So you have 2 options with the download. You can download the word Easter, which we have made, or spring, or both. And then you have quick, easy craft for spring and Easter. So I like to use the 3M command hooks on my mantle because they are easily removable when I'm done. They don't leave any sticky residue or anything like that. So I applied these and let them stay on there for a good while before we hung the bunting. But to do that, I just tied a knot in the jute right around the hook, and then we're going to place the tassel right there to cover the hook.
Isn't that the cutest craft ever? It was so cheap and so quick. Steph had that done in a matter of minutes.
Less than 30 minutes.
And I think it is adorable. And with the free printable, it's going to even save you more time.
Yeah, so be sure to download that. Again, the link's below. You can print it out with it saying Easter or spring, so you can switch it out, have it how you want. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media. All the links are below. We like to share little sneak peeks of what we're working on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.